G'day guys, Aaron and Ninja here. We are really excited to announce that we are now offering one-on-one physical training sessions with some of our practitioners at MMT. This is in addition to the Lift Club and Sprint Club that we've been running for years. But if you know us now, you know that we put a massive importance on being strong, being fast, and just being physically capable and resilient. So this offering is there for you guys that have been coming to us for a while or perhaps are new to us, that really want to dive into the physical side of what we have to offer. So the lifting, corrective exercises, the functional training, and just getting you geared up for Sprint Club if that's something that you really want to dive into. But Ninj, you've been training for nearly 30 years now. You're a walking testament to what it's like to be 50 and feeling really strong and fit and just resilient. When things come up, you just get over them really quick.
Yeah, just want to be habit. You just want to be strong, resilient, and just exude that energy, that vitality. Yeah, and it can be done quite simply as well. You don't need to train anywhere near as much as what you might think. And we were just saying before, like if you're in the top 1% of fitness in the world, if you can do 10 pull-ups and 30 push-ups, and we think that's absolute rubbish. Like going back, say 70 years ago, things weren't so comfortable. We had to chop wood, carry water, dig holes, in the garden and things like that, carry things around. And because of today's lifestyle, we're sitting a lot. Things are so comfortable. We don't have to light the fire or things like that. So we're not getting all that kind of incidental movement that our bodies just love doing. We should be walking more. We should be able to sprint. We should be able to climb trees and play with our kids, different things like that. But yeah, it's gone pear-shaped. So we're on a mission to help people out there to, turn it around and just discover that vitality that you should have been having all out throughout your life. So
yeah, that's it. Because we know the feeling, and we believe everyone else should be feeling what we feel every single day too. And the way we've devised our own weeks is, like Ninja said, you don't need to be in the gym 5-6 days a week. People that are doing that are probably actually somewhat it's detrimental to their health and recovery. So we lift, we sprint, and you might sprinkle some corrective exercises in there. You might do some heavy throws or some rotation work. But realistically, if you're just hitting your heavy work and your sprints once a week, you're going to be absolutely at your top performing strength and speed. And that's what's going to help you be more resilient and robust. We use these words because we have things come up sometimes, but we just overcome them really quickly, and it doesn't stop us from doing things. We've been treating people for a long, long time, and a lot of people come in with kind of reoccurring things and ongoing stress-related kind of tension that we know, can be blasted with a heavy lift or a big sprint that just opens up all these little nooks and crannies. So yeah, we wanted to just bring this offering to you so that you can not only just get the bodywork with us, but you can actually get specific physical training one-on-one with the people that you want to learn from, that you're inspired by. So if this is you, we encourage you to book in. And yeah, weakness is a criminal, eh?
Weakness is a crime. Stop being a criminal. Bernard McFadden, father of physical culture.
Leave the quotes up to this man.
Yeah, got it. Get it done.